And good morning, everybody. It's pretty early, and it rained last night, and I slept so good. And today we're going to be going to. It was here earlier. Bog Spruce Bog Boardwalk, and I'll probably go a bit later today, maybe just before noon. Kind of a slow start for me this morning. I slept good, but I I went to bed late, so right now kind of slow. But I hope you guys enjoy what I'm about to show you guys. It's less of the van, but more of the hike. And I'm at Algonquin Park, and it's just it's just so beautiful here. It really is. So if you ever get a chance, if you're on Ontario, Canada, and you somehow find your way up north, just going up north, Highway 11 to 60 is Algonquin Park, and it's just there's just so many amazing things to look at. The views are gorgeous, and I'm just looking at a fraction. I'm just visiting a fraction of the park, the ones that are trailed off. So and safe. So that's always good. Anyway, I'm gonna get some coffee, get started, and I'll see you guys soon. And there it is, Spruce Bog Boardwalk. It sounds like a tongue twister. But first, we need to get some coffee. There we go. Need strong coffee. There we go. Let's let it stay a bit here. The places here. Maybe put a bit more in. There we go. I think that's good. Hey guys, so here we are at Spruce Bog Boardwalk. I think that's what it's called. I'll get the proper name later on. Spruce, here it is. Let's take a look over here. So it's just before noon. It's probably around 10:30 or 11. Spruce Bog Boardwalk, that's what it's called. Here it is. And this is one of the trails. It's a shorter trail. And just before this, I had done the lookout, which is good. And so for this one here, I'm going to walk it, and sure enough, there's a boardwalk. Check this out. Okay, with the sun comes the mosquitoes, and they're definitely out. And I do have some mosquito repellent, but I don't think Canadian mosquitoes really care that much. I just got stung in my arm. So, see how this goes. And this time around, I see the #1 marker. I'm actually doing this correctly in terms of the order. The previous hike that I was on, I went from the highest number to the lowest, so I went backwards. Should be okay. You know, but I do love how the sun sort of hits the trail and sort of kisses the trees. You know what's great about these hikes and trails that I have is my mom can go and take a look at it as well. Hello there. Hey guys, how you doing? Check this out, you guys. absolutely beautiful here. I don't know if I'll see any frogs. This pace hike that I have is okay, and what I'm going to try to do is pick it up a bit. But you guys should see this. I'm going to show you. I'm going to flip the camera around. And this is beautiful. Isn't this beautiful? There's the people over there. You'll have to pardon my amateur video making skills. I find when I'm panning, I just can't wait. I'm like, I just like plow right through it. So I have to remind myself that when I'm panning a shot, like going across, that I take my time, okay, as much as possible. So that way you guys can enjoy the view, right? Look at this. Hey, you know what? I'm gonna try something new, okay, guys? Let me try. So I've got this, oh, another park bench. Oh, wow, I'll just sit here. There you go. Okay, I'm going to try something new here. I'm going to extend it out 1 second. Okay, there we go. I extended it out and now you get more of a view. You see my little noggin at the middle there. And you get more of a view of what it looks like. Now I know why it's called Spruce Bog Walk. Because it's bog walk. Sorry. Oh my goodness. Boardwalk, not bog walk. I'm not getting this, am I? Okay, sorry guys. The Spruce Boardwalk. I'm so silly. So now I know why it's called, because there's this boardwalk across the board, right? There you go. So what's the difference between walking and hiking? Anybody know? If you know, let me know in the comments. I think maybe hiking is you're going somewhere nice, like the woods. Everybody walks. Like you can't say, oh, I went hiking at the mall, but you can say I went hiking in the woods, right? I'm sure at one point I knew the answer. I just can't remember. Oh, some wildlife. Look at that. It was a chipmunk. See it? I spied with my little eye a chipmunk. Oh, it's gone now. So this is my second hike for today. I don't know how many trails there are. Maybe I'll find out when I get back to the van. I've done one, the lookout, and previous I did 4. Really is just doing them, right? This looks kind of nice. It's nice here. So it's clearing up really nicely here. Sun's out. Very peaceful. You know, I think I could do one more hike. Oh, there's people here. Morning.
There's some wild
No
species
moose.
approaching.
Yeah, maybe soon one day. Good day. Friendly people. Like I said, whenever I go on these hikes, I meet up with different people, and overall, everyone's happy. And how can't you be? You're out here, right? And less stress. And usually they're on holiday, so I think that helps out a lot. But yeah, pretty nice. So it's a pretty long clip right there. And you know what? I think the tour is over. The hike is over because I can hear more of the cars near the trailhead. Okay, we're done. And again, I'm not in the van when I'm saying this, but if you like the video, please like it. If you think it's worthy, please subscribe. That would be really helpful. And I hope to bring you some more good content. And you know, I'm really enjoying doing these little like trail hikes. And you know, another way for my biggest fan, my mom, hi mom, to take a look at what I'm doing, making sure that I'm okay as I do these little travels of mine. And certainly taking her along with you guys on my little trail hikes here. I hope you guys enjoy it. Have a great day and have a fantastic life. Keep going. And like I always say, remember, you're awesome, okay? Bye-bye. More rocks. Look at these rocks though. Well. It appears the trail wasn't over yet. I've been walking for about 5 minutes or so, and it kind of makes sense, right? Because remember, I had to we had to like pass over this little expanse area, so maybe that's what I need to do next. So I don't know if I'm going to tag this on after, but oh, what the heck, I'll do it. So more stuff, guys. It ain't over till it's over, right? And that's where we're at. Oh, at least you'll get to be able to see this the sun. The sun is out. Wow. Oh, so nice. That's so nice. Wow. That is really nice. Yeah, definitely not over yet. And yes, we would be correct. There's more boardwalk here. This one closer to the road. And there's a little bridge happening over there. I'll show you what I mean. Check this out. Huh? There you go. Check that out. More seats. Sorry, that wasn't very steady. Wow, and here I am thinking I was done. Not the case at all. Oh look, that car over there. Here we go. So here, whenever I see a bridge like this, I'm always thinking about my Invisi friend, Plant Powered Anna. She would definitely be doing stuff on this. Hey? Absolutely. Bridges are fun. Invisi friends. Yes, I've got them. And you know, they've helped out a lot in terms of advice, information, ideas, and just overall, keeping company. You got a question, I'll just ask them, and I usually get a pretty decent answer. Well, actually I get a good answer a lot of times. Look at all this extra trail left over. I don't know what I was thinking somehow that it was over, but you know what, I think it'll be over because I can sort of see, I can make out the trailhead from here. Yeah, it'll probably be done. Anyway, I think this is it. Okay, going back to what I had asked earlier. If you like the video, please like it. If you think it's worthy, please subscribe. And again, second time in the same video. I think you guys are awesome and I really appreciate your comments. Okay, bye-bye. It's rocky there.
And there you have it. Please support my channel by commenting and subscribing. It's free and it can help you with your own tiny home build, as I will be giving out free tips and tricks on how you can make it happen. And if you believe someone else may benefit, please share the video of my curated playlist.